Alright, in the past videos you can see that I had open shelves in that area where I kept my tools, and they were getting all dirty and dusty and messed up, and I wasn't liking it. So I got me a couple old dressers, put them together, got them up to this size, put them together, got me some scrap paint and a sheet of plywood, which is right over there, part of it anyway. Getting ready to cut them down for doors to fit right there. Up there in the top is going to be, right here, is going to be little pull down doors so I can access some tools in that way. So I think it's cool. Yeah, you know, it's wood, it's not metal, but it's going to be a stationary place for my tools. I think we'll call it a win. The little touch-up paint, indoor-outdoor carpet done. Gonna do the doors next, right over there. Put them on. We're on our way. $100. That's all it's cost me so far, besides my labor. But sometimes labor is just labor. Hinges are all on, doors are all on. It's time for the handles. I'm a one-man show, so duct tape. Sorry about the duct tape, but that's the only way I can keep it shut. And to get the hinges and handles on, that has to be done. I also had to make a pattern, as you can see right there, so I can keep all the handles consistent. Alright, so I ran into a little ordeal, no biggie. When putting on the handle, first round, the screws bottomed out before it could even get tight. So I had to make a little adjustment by putting these little pieces of wood in place. It works. I didn't want to go chasing down a bunch of washers, but this works just as good as any washers. Next is these little latches right here. So how I came to a conclusion of where to put on the latch for the doors, you see how I made these doors kind of pop outward, using this for an edge. Well, I made my mark, I closed it, made my mark going down, and then I determined 2.5 inches down from the top edge is about where I want my latches to go. So I measured it out, these sections where I want it to go. Right there is a 1/2 inch, and up here is a 1/4 inch. Made a little jig, wooden jig, and I put the straight edge here on this outside edge here, go on the inside, make my mark so I know what angle it is that I need to put the latch in. I'll take you to the other side and let you see it. And there you go. This is how I came to conclusion of where my line needs to be. I took some green paint, painted it, shut the door, and then it made a mark. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Pop open doors, indoor outdoor carpet, shelves, indoor outdoor carpet also, 2 doors. Should be able to hold a lot of tools in here and accomplish my goal, which was keeping dust and dirt off my tools when they were exposed right here in the old shelving thing. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, comment. Come back for the next one. See ya.